So in general, again, and getting back to basic principles, I mean, we could spend hours literally talking about how the pharmacy is set up, what products go where, what products to recommend. But in general, if we get back to the concept of, you know, cleanse, repair, and protect. So a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. The cleanser just needs to be a gentle cleanser. Look for hypoallergenic, and look for something that doesn't have an added ingredient like an acne product. For the moisturizer, I would tend to just stick with creams to begin with. So really look for specifically cream or balm, because that's the same thing. And I try and avoid oils, lotions, gels. If you're very dry, you could certainly step up the treatment from cream up to ointment. And I certainly recommend ointments, especially for lips, and especially for hands. And then for sunscreens, as we went over, mineral-based versus organic-based.
Great. And I think you've just answered, we just had a question here that says, as a general rule, it would be best to keep skincare routine as simple as possible. And I think
totally agree with that. And yeah, i.e. no serums, essence, toners. So definitely not toners. Just quickly, the point of toners historically has been that cleansers have essentially stripped the essential oils off of the skin, because they were quite strong. And the point of toners is to kind of replenish that. Now, if you use a neutral-based cleanser followed by a moisturizer, you don't really need that toner. Serums are very nice, but serums will tend to have those added ingredients that we were talking about, like a retinol. Some of the added ingredients can be helpful, like niacinamide, which is an anti-inflammatory, but some of them can be things like vitamin C, which generally are thought to be an antioxidant, but can also be irritating as well. So in general, again, as whoever said this, Mel Fortin, I completely agree. General rule, simple as possible. Simple gentle cleanser, good moisturizer, great sunscreen.